Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your Windows 11 computer is stuck in airplane mode and not turning off that settings. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to select on the start menu, and then dito sa search app ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung settings. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. And the next step, dito sa settings, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet. So, click mo lang yan. And then, dito sa network and internet settings, so, scroll down. And then, makikita mo kaagad dito yung airplane mode. So, kung paano ba natin ito i-resolve yung not turning off. So, dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung kanyang button. So, ang gagawin natin ay toggle on and then i-toggle off natin. Ganito siya. Alright? So, once nagawa mo na yan and then cross lang natin dito and then dito na sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo na ito. Alright? So, ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix airplane mode not turning off in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.